Have you ever felt like your dreams are slipping through your fingers? Like you are stuck in the same routine, watching others achieving what you secretly desire? That was me in 2021. I was scrolling through social media, seeing people traveling to exotic places, buying their dream homes, or starting successful businesses. I felt lost, wondering why not me? Why does it feel so hard to get what I want in life? And then one evening, while journaling about my frustrations, I stumbled upon something that changed everything. A vision board. Not just a collage of pretty pictures, but a powerful tool that turned my scattered dreams into a focused reality. And by 2023, I had achieved things I never thought possible. A new house, a successful jewelry business, and a deep sense of purpose. And now, as 2025 approaches, I want to help you guys to create a vision board that actually works. A vision board that helps you manifest the life you have always dreamed of. So stay with me till the end because I will be sharing some key tips to make sure your board becomes your personal manifestation magnet. So before we dive into the how, let's talk about the why. A vision board is more than just a craft project. It's a visual representation of your dreams. When you create one, you are aligning your mind, emotions, and energy with your desires. Here's the science behind it. Our brains are wired to seek what we focus on. When you see your goals every single day, your mind starts finding ways to make them real. It's not any magic. It's a combination of clarity, focus, and action. But here's the catch. It only works if you do it right. That's why I will guide you through every step today. Imagine sitting in a car without a destination. You just drive in circles, right? The same goes for life. You need clarity before you can manifest. So take a journal and ask yourself, what do I truly want in 2025? How do I want to feel? What areas of my life need change? Is it career? Is it relationship? Is it health? Is it finances or anything? For example, in 2021, one of my biggest goals was to grow my small jewelry business. I didn't just write successful business. I wrote down specifics like 200 plus happy customers every single month or high quality jewelry pieces and an aesthetic jewelry store in Delhi. The clearer your vision, the stronger your manifestation power. Now this is the fun part. Grab your materials like a board or a poster, images for your vision board. And you can take these images from magazines, Google or even Pinterest. Now cut these images and put it on your board. And if you are someone who is not comfortable making a physical vision board, you can make a digital vision board which you can easily make on Pinterest. But here is the secret. Don't just choose random pictures. Pick images that spark emotion. If you are dreaming of a beach vacation, find a picture that makes you feel the ocean breeze. If you want financial freedom, use images of abundance that resonate with you. This emotional connection is what makes your vision board magnetic. Your vision board should be structured, not chaotic. Divide it into sections. If it is a health you want to focus on, then choose a picture of a fit, energetic person. If it is a career, choose a photo representing your dream job or business. For relationships, you can choose smiling couple pictures or a happy family moments. For travel, pictures of destinations you want to visit. And if it is self-growth you want to manifest, choose inspirational quotes or books you want to read. When I made my vision board, I included a section for mental peace, a sunrise picture and a quote saying, "Calm mind, strong life." By keeping things organized, your board becomes a clear map for your desires. A vision board isn't just about images, it's about energy. So write affirmations like, I am worthy of success. I attract abundance effortlessly. I am in perfect health. Also, add sticky notes with action steps. For example, if your goal is to save money, write save $100 each month. This bridges the gap between dreaming and doing. And here is where most people go wrong. They hide their vision board and after some time they completely forget about that. But if you don't see your vision board, you can't focus on it. Put it somewhere visible. Your bedroom, your workspace, or even as your phone wallpaper. When you look at it daily, you are constantly reminded of your goals, which keeps you motivated and aligned. Visualization is the final and most important step. Spend 5 minutes every single day looking at your board and imagining that you already have everything on it. Feel the joy, the excitement and gratitude. But remember guys, manifestation isn't just about imagining. It's about acting. When opportunities come your way, just grab them. When challenges arise, face them with the belief that your dreams are worth it. Think about this for a moment. What if 2025 could be the year that changes everything for you? What if the vision board you create today becomes the blueprint for your dream life? I am the living proof that vision board and manifestation actually works. And if I can do it, so can you. The only thing standing between you and the life you desire is the decision to start. Now that you know how to create a vision board, there is one more thing you need: the right habits to back it up. And for that, you can watch this video on the topic of 6 life-changing morning habits for success. This video will help you to learn how to start every single day with purpose and momentum. Click here to watch it now and I will see you there. Bye-bye.